train fares are going to be changing soon. Indian Railways have announced that they are going to be changing the fee structure and there will be an updated fee for your train travel starting December 26. So who's going to be affected? Well, first of all, the good news is that in case you are only looking at a shorter duration travel, up to 215 kilometers, there is no change in the fares. So suburban travel, there is no change. For lower and middle class, there is no change. But in case you're looking at a longer duration of a train journey, then beyond 215 kilometers, the ordinary class will see 1 paisa per kilometer getting added into the fares. And even the mail and the express, both non-AC as well as AC trains will now charge you about 2 paisa per kilometer. This will lead up to like a 500 kilometer non-AC journey will now lead to about a 10 rupees extra fare that you will now have to incur. So now this increase in fare will actually help the government quite a bit, because the estimates now say that Indian Railways will be able to garner extra 600 crore rupees with just this 10 rupee fare change. The last time around Indian Railways had updated the fares was in July 2025, and with those updated fares, the Indian Railways have already garnered 700 crore rupees of additional revenues. And this time around, from December 26, the estimate is that these increased fares will actually lead to an additional 600 crore rupees of a revenue for Indian Railways. So that's something that Indian Railways are clearly looking forward to. So suburban tickets, of course, there is no change. Monthly season pass, your daily passes, your daily routines will not see any change. So relief for the low and the middle income class, but definitely longer duration, both ordinary as well as non-AC as well as AC trains will see higher fares.